Hi guys, and welcome back to another review on the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel. I hope you've had a good weekend and welcome back to a Sunday night review. So today we are reviewing the AutoGlym Polar Blast snow foam. So this is a new snow foam from the AutoGlym brand. So we've got my car here, very dirty. It's done about 600 miles since the last wash. Some idiot as well has thrown tomato ketchup down the side. So yeah, we'll see how well this snow foam removes that as well. It has had a lot of snow and a lot of salt off the road, so yeah, we've got that to come up against as well. So I'm going to read the instructions off the back on how to use, and then we'll get on with testing the product. So the first instruction on here is, before you start, check the bodywork and the wheels are cool to touch and out of direct sunlight. Well, the direct sunlight, as you can see, is pretty much gone. Yeah, there's not been much sunlight today as we're in England, and the car's been sat around 2-3 hours since it's been turned on and on the road, so I think that's going to be cool enough. So on to the next instruction. So Polar Blast can be used at various dilutions depending on the density of foam desired. A good starting point is 100 ml of product to 500 ml of water in your foaming bottle. Adjust the foam gun settings as required and increase or reduce the foam. So because the car is quite dirty and, well, we've got ketchup on one side, we're going to aim for quite a thick snow foam. It's just one thing I like: thick snow foam. It clings to the car. Well, it should cling to the car, and yeah, it's just good to see. So on to the next, number 3. Spray the Polar Blast onto the vehicle, starting from the bottom, ensuring all exterior surfaces are covered, including glass and wheels. So what that means is basically start from the bottom, as the instructions say, which is what I'll do, and yeah, just make sure everything's covered. Okay, so number 4 is leave Polar Blast time to dwell and loosen up for 10 minutes, although do not allow it to dry on. So 10 minutes, it's a long time for it to dwell on the paintwork, but do I think it's going to dry on the paint? I doubt it, because it's about -1. So yeah, I don't think we're going to have any problems with it drying on the paint today. So number 5 is rinse thoroughly from bottom up. So again, starting from the bottom, just power washing it off and then finishing at the top of the car. And then number 6, if required, wash bodywork with regular shampoo. Number 6, if required, I think we're definitely going to wash the car after. I wouldn't recommend using just the snow foam. I'd say definitely wash the car after you've used a snow foam, any snow foam in that matter. Snow foam is there to just loosen the thick dirt off, and basically, yeah, take the top layer off. It won't actually clean the car as well as you would with say like a wash mitt. Okay, so we've used about 100 ml of snow foam to 500 ml of water. So now I'm going to follow the instructions. So I'm going to start from the bottom of the car and work the way up, applying the snow foam, and then we're going to leave it for around 10 minutes. So that's the application. It's gone on really thick. So to say I put 100 ml of snow foam into the 500, well, say 500 ml of water, yeah, it's gone on really quick. It's been on 2 to 3 minutes at the minute. So while we're waiting for that to dwell for up to 10 minutes, so I'm just going to wait until it's pretty much sort of like soaked into all that salt and all the dirt that's on there, and hopefully tomato ketchup. So a few things about this product. the name Polar Blast. I think it's a unique name. Yeah, it's to do with snow foam. Yeah, I like the name, and for this time of year, especially when we've just had the beast from the east too. Yeah, it's a good product to use, quite a fun product as well. Okay, before I rinse this off, I just want to say that, well, the snow foam's hung about, well, a long time, so it has been near enough nearly 10 minutes now, and well, it's just starting to drop, so hopefully that snow foam's sank into all the dirt that's on the car. That was, well, I've just rinsed that off. It did take quite a long time to rinse off, but I think that's because the snow foam was so thick. One good thing I like so far is that it clung to the car. Is that a word? Clinged? I don't know. Well, it stuck on the car for a long time. Like, you could probably leave it for, I don't know, probably 15-20 minutes. Not that you need to, because it's done quite a good job of cleaning and getting most of the hard, like dried on dirt off. So, well, the results at the minute, well, it looks a lot cleaner. All that salt and road grime and all the crap from the snowy weather, that's come off with the snow foam. So that's a really good thing. The tomato sauce, that's mostly come off, but I think because I've did about probably 300 miles since someone put that on my car, yeah, it's probably dried on a bit more, and I don't expect the snow foam to like have to take that off on your everyday washes. But yeah, the snow foam's doing well at the minute. I'm just going to finish off washing the car, and then I'll come back to you and give my thoughts on the product. Okay, so that's the car fully washed. So that was the review on the Polar Blast snow foam from AutoGlym. So where can you get this from? So actually you can get this from Halfords. It's around £13-14, and that gets you 2.5 litres of snow foam, and yeah, you need about 100ml for every 400 to 500 millilitres of water, which to get the thickness of snow foam that I use, or you can use less to make it more efficient. So over the summer, yeah, you probably want to use less. So did I like the product? Yes, it was good. I was really impressed with how long the snow foam like clung to the car for. Also, well, it did a good job of cleaning the car. The only downside to this is, well, the smell. It's got a real chemical smell. I know it's a chemical, and they're not always the nicest smelling things, but yeah, it could have a nicer smell. Apart from that, I'd say it's a good product for everyone to use. it's worth a try. That's the review on the AutoGlym Polar Blast, and I'll see you next Sunday for another video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!